Welcome to JazzTime.com. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you want to know the price, simply click the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you buy a watch from us once in a while. Today, we'll be talking about the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak Offshore Self-Winding Chronograph, reference number 26400IO.OO.A004CA.02. Quite a mouthful, but we'll just call it the Royal Oak Offshore for the sake of this video. The dial is a gray Mega tapisserie with a subtle touch of blue, surrounded by titanium and gray ceramics. There are white gold applied hour markers and royal oak hands with luminescent coating, surrounded by a blue inner bezel. Let me turn the lights off so you can see the luminescence. And there you have it. You can see the index hour markers and the hour and minute hands all glowing spectacularly in the darkness. Let me turn the lights back on now. Alright, and so there's a small seconds dial at just under the 12 o'clock position, and much like the Rolex Daytona Cosmographs, there are two extra dials at the 6 and 9 positions on this watch to give you your chronograph measurements. This case is 44 millimeters in diameter from finger to thumb, and is made of titanium and is 14.4 millimeters thick, with a water resistance down to 100 meters. The back contains the typical glare-proofed sapphire crystal surrounded by titanium as well, with sandblasted titanium push-piece guards. The self-winding in its name comes from the revolving mechanism visible through the case back. The right side of the case contains the signature AP winding crown and two very sleek chronograph pushers for interval timekeeping. The crystal is of a transparent, scratch-resistant sapphire, so there's no fear of suit threads or buttons damaging the crystal. This bezel is octagonal in shape, brushed on the top, and polished along the sides. As this is a chronograph, the inner bezel, as you can see in blue, encompassing the gray dial, shows your measurements well into the hundreds. This is essential to anybody needing to measure any sort of production or distance covered when related to a unit of time, such as units per hour or average miles traveled per hour. So this crown contains the AP logo and ensures water resistance down to 100 meters or 330 feet. Setting the time, very simple. Simply unwind the crown to the first position. This first position winds the watch. The second position changes the date. Maybe a little bit difficult to see the date change there. There we go. Changes the date. And note that the date requires some extra rotation when changing. And I actually really like this feature, as you're unable to go backwards in time. The internal mechanism is made so that you are sure of the date when you're setting the watch. The final position stops the second and chronograph hands, so that you can adjust the time using the minute hand. Be sure to press the crown all the way back in and screw it tight against the case to ensure that 100-meter water resistance. This bracelet is a gray rubber strap with a titanium pin buckle. Nothing too extravagant to write home about, but it is sure to fit your arm no matter the size of your wrist. And the advantage to a rubber strap is that you do not need to actually have this sized or have any links added or removed. Of course, the most important part of this timepiece would be the movement. That is what makes all of this work together. It is the caliber 3126-3840 manufacture with a diameter of 29.2 millimeters with 13 and a quarter lines, a frequency of 3 Hz or 21,600 VPH. The oscillator is a monoblock in 22 karat gold, 59 joules, and a spring with variable inertia blocks totaling to 365 internal parts. The power reserve is only 50 hours, so be sure to wear this at least every other day to keep it wound. Okay, and to try on the watch. And as I mentioned earlier, very easy to size, as there's nothing to remove or add to the bracelet, so that it fits just right. Right, notice that this case does not rise too high above my wrist, as it's low profile, despite its very large octagonal bezel. Allows it to slip in nicely under any coat or jacket sleeve. So who is this for? Obviously for someone with an appreciation for texture and utility with the chronograph. Someone who needs to keep track of time and is busy around the clock and would like a reference to today's day or date, while also looking absolutely stunning and stylish. For more specialized users, this is an excellent timekeeper and tracker all in one, with the scale on the bezel and the subdials to keep track of time and production, distance traveled, you name it, precisely. And for collectors, this is a certain high-end model that is an absolute must. So what are your thoughts on this timepiece? Does the dial color seem a bit too dark, or is it exactly what you're looking for? Especially with the color of the dial nearly matching that of the bezel and the rest of the case. Not quite as exciting as, say, a yellow gold or champagne gold, but still subtle and stylish. Do these chronograph pushers fit your personal style, or do you prefer the rounded pushers? And will you be picking one up at Jazz Time? Leave a comment, like and subscribe. And if you want this or any other watch, visit us in our online store at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.